Want to create real-time AI voiceovers with natural speech and low latency? Here's how to use the Cartesia voice model inside Artlist AI. Start by opening Artlist AI and navigating to the AI voiceover tool. From the voice catalog, choose a voice powered by the Cartesia model, such as Cartesia Sonic 2. Artlist includes Cartesia specifically for expressive voice generation with natural pacing and emotional control. Next, enter the text you want to convert into speech. If you're using speech-to-speech features, you can upload an existing recording instead. Cartesia supports both text-to-speech and voice transformation workflows. After selecting your voice, customize the settings. You can adjust language, accents, speed, emotions, and voice effects to match your project. Accent controls are available when using the Cartesia model. Once everything looks good, click Generate. Review the result, make any necessary adjustments, and regenerate if needed. You should now be able to create expressive AI voiceovers using Cartesia and Artlist AI. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.